Newly remodeled and nestled in Livermore's highly desired Shadowbrook neighborhood, no detail was overlooked in this spectacular home, which features an amazing private backyard oasis. This gorgeous home features a huge family room with outdoor access and an open and bright floor plan, just right for entertaining. The spacious kitchen features custom cabinets, quartz counters, a custom tile backsplash, and a professional-style 6-burner gas range. The dining room is flexible enough to enjoy a cozy casual meal or a more formal dinner. The home exudes elegance and comfort. The living room has a flowing layout bathed in natural light. It's formal enough to entertain guests, but comfortable enough for daily use. Escape from everyday life to the master suite, where you're sure to enjoy the tasteful design elements and spa-like features. The private backyard oasis offers a sparkling Pebble Tech pool and spa, a large covered patio, and a play structure with safety bark. Excellently located within a short drive to highly rated schools, bustling downtown Livermore, and with easy Highway 84 access, this home really does have it all. Call today to book your private tour.